Welcome back, my super geniuses! Today's mystery is glowing yellow like me.
The first 5 heroes to guess the right answer will have their names featured on our wall of legends in the next episode. Are you ready?
I'm not round like an apple. I'm curved and long, just like a smiling crescent moon or a little yellow boat. Who am I? I wear a smooth yellow jacket. You have to peel it off to eat me. But be careful. Don't drop my jacket on the floor or someone might slip. I live with my big family in a bunch on a giant tree with huge green leaves. Who am I?
Athletes love me. I give you fast energy, and I'm full of potassium to keep your muscles strong. Who am I?
I have a very famous friend in the jungle. He's a naughty little monkey. He loves to grab me and climb trees. Who am I?
I taste amazing in fruit salads, and when you mix me with milk, I make the best smoothie ever. Have you guessed my name yet? Who am I?
Time is running out. Write your answer in the comments right now. Remember, only the first 5 will be on our wall of legends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.